Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This will be 1,90,000 rupees build for i7 11 generation with 3060. The prices for the GPU and RAM are going crazy right now. So I'll not be sharing the prices in the video. What I'll do instead, I will put the links for Amazon and our website in the description box below. You can check the latest price. So the total build, what we are charging to the customer is 1,90,000 including all peripherals and also a monitor which is Acer 240YS 165Hz 0.5 ms response time, IPS panel, and that's from Acer. So this is all including the peripherals, 1,90,000 rupees. So let's begin with the PC parts, what we're gonna use in this build, and then we will start the assemble. I hope you'll enjoy it. Let's begin with the pricing. For the processor, we have got Intel i7-11700K, that is an 8-core and 16-thread processor. It can do gaming and multitasking very easily. For motherboard, we have got MSI Z590A Pro. The 590 series does support a Gen 4, so that's a great point for the 11 generation. For RAM, we have got G-Skill Ripjaws 3600 MHz 8x2, that's 16 GB. Right now, keeping in mind the prices are high for RAM, we are putting only 16 GB. Customer will put 16 GB more in future. For storage, we are going with XPG S5. This is 1 TB SSD and that's NVMe. We are not going with Gen 4, we are going with Gen 3, keeping in mind the cost of this SSD is around 10,000 rupees. So it is a great bang for bucks, and this is what we have for the storage. For the GPU, we have got Inno3D RTX3060 12GB. And we do need the cooler because the CPU doesn't come with a stock cooler. I'm going with NZXGT X53 RGB. This is really nice brand, cooler brand, NZXT. If in case you want to look out for other options, Deep Cool and Tex are available. For my opinion, the Kraken series coolers are really nice. So this is what we're gonna use for this build. For power supply, we are going with Antec High Current Gamer series. This is 80 plus gold, comes with 10-year warranty, fully modular, and this is what we are gonna use for this build. And for the cabinet, we are going with Antec NX800. Wonderful case, has 200mm fans in the front, has tempered, has nice airflow, mesh in the front, 140 in the rear, and this is a really nice for around 6,000 rupees. This PC also includes some peripherals like Logitech G240 Carbon keyboard. I have already made a dedicated video. I'll share the link in the description for the dedicated video for this keyboard. Customer really wanted very light mouse. This mouse is just 59 grams and this is called HyperX Pulsefire Haste. This is a really nice mouse. To run the mouse nicely, we also need a mouse pad. This is from Logitech again, G240. It's a nice mouse pad which you can consider. And for the monitor, we have got Acer VG240YS 165Hz 0.5 ms response time, IPS panel, and this is 24 inches. This is really nice monitor at a price of around 14,000 rupees. So this is what we are adding in this build. The thermal paste is pre-applied on the cooler, so we don't have to put additionally, and this will be perfect for this. Alright guys, so we're done with the PC build, and this is performing well. We have tested a few benchmark and it is really nice. We haven't tested on games as we don't have the games installed in this, but yeah, I'm pretty much sure this will work really well. We're gonna dispatch it after a couple of more hours stress test to the customer, and so yeah, that's about the video. I hope you have liked it. As I've said, all the product link are mentioned in the description box below for the prices. Go ahead and check Amazon or even our website links. That would give you the exact price. So let's end it here. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye, and I'll see you in the next video. And if in case you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can log into techmartunbox.com. You can chat with our executive between 10 AM to 7 PM, or you can drop an email at sales@techmartunbox.com. We'll be more than happy to serve you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, and I'll see you in the next.